I thought I was recording this 7 minutes, but apparently I wasn't. So I'm gonna do this one time. Last time I burnt it, I'm gonna make it huge and loud. There, huge and loud. Not doing that again because I just pressed the box again. Magic trick, hit the button, boom. Boom. My mom will gonna be so ticked. I do not smoke. Oh, I just like to play with fire with them. Tired. I am not wearing makeup. I know it looks like it. Look at the high This one would actually that's gross. Hide it in the printer now. Will kill me. Like we ever even. My God. Here's it. There. Not wearing makeup at all. See? Nothing. Ow. Nothing. But a pulled eyelash. Ow. That hurt. Why do I do that? What is this meter? Blah! Closer! Look up. Don't look down at the computer screen. Like, oh my God. I wonder if I can play music and record at the same time. Oh, no. What if I stop recording? I want to do that. Oh, and by the way, my welcome YouTube. My name is Fartnoker. It's supposed to be Fartnocker, but I suck at spelling. I spelled it N-O-C-K-E-R. And yeah. it didn't say welcome Fartnoker. It said welcome fart. It said welcome fart, and my friend has a picture of it, and she sent it to me, and it said welcome fart, and it said on top, and it was like exclamation point. Yeah, whatever. How do you make it look? But yeah. Without my friends, this is just a boring video. Unless you think I'm retarded, then that's a goal. Or crazy. Or something. I don't belong in the squisharium. I know the doctor didn't drop me on my head when I was born, so I think it's because I do this a lot. Ah! That hurt. Great, now I got a headache. I was watching Tobuscus, so that didn't work. I had it cranked up on high. It's still high, so. Oh, guys, it's high. Like da 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 da. And here's my profile pictures of woman dancing. I didn't mean it to be like sexual. It was supposed to be like, oh, I'm a dancing ballerina. Da 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 da. I'm gay. Yep. Fail. Epic fail. But yeah, if you think I'm crazy or something, then that was my goal. But why do I keep looking at my picture, not the camera? Okay, what do I have to do this? Oh no! Oh, that was so cool. It was like all red and black, and look, my eyes are brown. Ooh, they're supposed to be some sort of color blue right now. They change a lot. It's like bleh, confusing. So, awesomeness. Concealing my identity. Oh God! Cover the background. Not okay. Look at my face, not the background. Blah, blah, blah. Bye. Yeah. Do you notice my teeth are wicked? Not my fault. My stupid something. Ooh, 41.